If your joystick small, more than your age, this is what you will do. Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Wherever you are watching me today, my name is Dr. Aviz Abolade, the son of Aramide. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, everything I do here is to share spiritual tips, and if you like this video, very interesting, please, I use God to beg you, share this program to your friend, share it to your family, tell someone to tell someone, share it with your family. That's what I want. Don't just watch this program and leave. Please subscribe. In today's video, I want to share, if your joystick small, more than your age, try these tips. By the grace of God, if you try this thing, you will surely give me good testimony. How to do it? Go and look for Gbogbonise Eruju. You can get it where they sell herbal items. Just tell them that you need Gbogbonise Eruju and bitter melon. Yoruba call it bara. And Awe skin cover. Awe skin cover. We call it Epo Awe. Awe skin cover. Epo Awe. All these items inside pot. If you want to cook it, don't use ordinary water to cook this herb. Use pap water to cook this herb. If you are interested in our products, we have all kinds of herb, such as Aladiyaba flusher, diabetes herb, fibroid, asthma, cancer, infection, little rash, sperm leakage, and so on and so forth. Wherever you are, you receive your package. You can also follow me on my Facebook page, Dr. Aviz Abolade TV. You can follow me on TikTok. You can follow me on Instagram. Pack all these items inside pot, then add pap water to it. Cook it very well. If you want to use it, take one shot. If you want to use it, just drink this herb every day. If your joystick small, more than your age, try these tips. If your joystick small, more than your age, try these tips. If you don't understand, you are free to call my number. It's 08039 336675 or 081 3503 5198. That is my number. Thanks for watching.